Some cars aren't just bought, they're handed down with memories. Will this Viper ever feel at home again? She's lifted carefully. One wrong move and decades of history could be lost. This workshop sees doubt and hope in equal measure. Every tool waits for a story to unfold. What will this one reveal? Years of neglect lift with each brushstroke. But what scratches or secrets hide beneath? Water strips grind, yet the paint beneath may reveal decades of tiny scratches. Can we save it all before it's too late? Bubbles hide scars for a moment, but what flaws will quietly reveal themselves? These wheels once roared down highways. Can they roar again? Lifting this hood feels like opening a time capsule, and what lies beneath could change the plan entirely. One glance, one misstep, and decades of history can be compromised. Every leaf and speck of dust tells a story, and some stories might worry us. Seats held the driver's pulse for years. Removing them carefully, one slip could damage history or reveal a hidden surprise. Pulling back the mats exposes what decades have left behind, secrets that may change everything we thought we knew. Every clip matters. A broken one could cost weeks of painstaking work. The wheel comes free, but this connection to the driver must be preserved at all costs. Wiping these gauges reveals clarity, hints at stories reflected in the chrome, some we may not want to uncover. One wrong pull and originality is gone forever. Rust may try to win, but will we reclaim the interior piece by piece, or has time already claimed some corners? Every puff of dust lifts history, one piece at a time, reclaiming what was lost. Air sweeps clean, but can the old metal survive this gentle assault? Bare now, but ready for transformation, this is just the start of bringing her back to life. Water teases the shine, running over every curve, and every flaw will be revealed under the scrutiny. Sparks flying, but will we reclaim the Viper's hidden strength beneath, or will rust leave its mark forever? Every bristle scrapes away the past. Can these arms handle another decade of speed? Liquid seeps into every corner. Some rust may surrender, but what surprises remain hidden. The underbody gleams again, but have all the secrets of corrosion truly been erased? These pistons once stopped hundreds of horsepower. One slip now, and history is lost. Every seal pressed with care. A single misalignment could cost performance or safety. Every click locks in decades of legacy. Can these bolts hold the Viper's fury once more? Fuel flows only with trust. Reconnecting each line carefully, the heartbeat of the car returns. These pipes once roared. Will they roar again or whisper their past only? Lifting the V10 is a delicate ballet. One misstep and hours of history could vanish. The pistons emerge like sleeping giants. What secrets have they held beneath the covers? Oil glistens across the camshaft, a silent promise that this engine may yet run flawlessly. Revealing strength hidden for decades, but will unseen wear betray its performance? One precise alignment, one tiny slip, and the engine's heart may never beat right again. Torque in sequence, every click echoes responsibility, every bolt holding the legacy together. Hands glide across polished metal, each motion whispers, the Viper deserves perfection. Lowered back into place carefully, one misalignment could undo weeks of meticulous work. Coolant and fuel lines reconnect, the car's lifeblood returns with every gentle click. Is this the Viper reborn, or only a glimpse of its past glory? The road will tell. Every curve restored, every secret uncovered, but only one test will prove her true heartbeat. Every stroke removes history, but sand too far and originality disappears forever. How much is safe to erase? This is the point of no return. Once primer goes down, there's no hiding mistakes, only committing to a future that will either hold under light or fail under judgment. That first flash of red answers a question we've been holding since day one. Was the Viper still in there? This layer won't be tested today, but under heat, sun, and time, years from now, it'll either protect everything beneath or expose every shortcut. The shine settles, and now we wait, hoping patience didn't protect a mistake underneath. Each pass brings depth back to life, but chase perfection too hard here, and you can polish straight through history. The cabin returns, not just parts, but memories. This is where the driver and machine reconnect. Every click matters. Miss one alignment, and the illusion of factory perfection falls apart. These badges don't add value, they declare it, but only if everything beneath deserves the name. One last touch before the lights hit it, before cameras, eyes, and silence decide whether the finish truly holds up. These wheels once carried fear, speed, and adrenaline. Soon we'll find out if they can do it again. It looks ready, but engines don't prove themselves standing still. This is what months of restraint, patience, and risk finally look like, long before the road has its say. Every angle asks the same question: did we honor its legacy or just recreate the look? From this view, it finally feels dangerous again, exactly how it should. That V10 is spotless now, but power has a way of revealing the truth fast. The smell, the leather, the silence before ignition, this is where anticipation peaks. The reflection looks flawless, but cameras don't flatter. If anything's wrong, this lens will find it. This is the moment restorations fear most, because engines don't care how good they look. It started as a memory in someone else's hands, and now it stands ready to create new ones.